you have to solve a simple quadratic like the first one that we've already seen twice now. What you're going to see is the first several examples that they show for this problem, they do it like a not simple quadratic. They do all 5 steps to get to an answer, which they knew after 1 step, right? So let's do this one like we're going to take all 5 steps. We would say 1 times 8 is 8. What are the factors of 8 that add up to 6? 2 and 4, right? We would split up the middle term, x squared plus 2x plus 4x plus 8. We would group the first 2 terms. Group the last 2 terms. And now factor each set of parentheses. X times x plus 2 plus 4, sorry, that was wrong, plus 4 times x plus 2. And now because both sets of parentheses have an x plus 2, we'll factor out x plus 2, and what's left is x plus 4. Now the thing is, we knew that after 1 step. There's no reason to do all that, and yet time after time, I'm going to see on a test that you're going to get something like that, and you're going to go through, you'll choose those numbers right, you'll start the process, but you'll be wrong at the end. Absolutely, all the time. All the time. And I just tell you that the book shows this with the long process, even though at the point you pick those 2 numbers, you already had the answer. There was no reason to do all this splitting up of middle terms and factoring and all that. You know the answer because it's a simple quadratic in 1 step. So just, you're forewarned that if you go home and you don't look at anything else, notes, videos, or anything, you just look in the book, that's what you're going to see. And you're going to start trying to do every problem like that, and it'll probably cause trouble because most students don't make it through this process correctly very often. So just a warning.